Welcome to Wellness Warriors Hub. How exercise enhances your love life, the mind-body connection. Love and relationships are complex phenomena influenced by myriad factors. From emotional connection to physical attraction and mutual understanding, love thrives on the pillars of intimacy and trust. One surprising element that can significantly bolster one's love life is the practice of regular exercise. This article delves deep into the myriad ways in which physical activity can not only benefit our health but also spark and sustain the flames of love. 1. Boosting self-esteem and body image. A. Regular exercise can lead to a fitter physique and improved posture, which directly enhances our body image. When we feel good about our bodies, we exude a confidence that is palpable, attractive, and contagious. B. A study from the Journal of Health Psychology found that physical activity enhances one's self-esteem. This boosted self-worth can translate to a healthier self-concept in relationships, making interactions with partners more open and assertive. 2. Enhancing physical vigor and stamina. A. Exercise, particularly cardiovascular activities, increases stamina. In the context of romantic relationships, this can translate to more energy for shared activities, from traveling together to other intimate moments. B. A well-toned body can enhance physical intimacy. Increased muscle strength, flexibility, and endurance can enhance the quality of intimate moments, making them more enjoyable for both partners. 3. Elevating mood. A. Physical activity stimulates the release of endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. People who exercise regularly are often more upbeat, positive, and better equipped to handle stress. E. This uplifted mood can act as a buffer against petty arguments and misunderstandings in relationships. Being in a positive mental state can lead to healthier communication patterns and understanding. 4. Biochemical sparks. A. Apart from endorphins, exercise also enhances the secretion of other neurotransmitters such as dopamine and serotonin. These play a vital role in feelings of pleasure, happiness, and love. B. A study from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism highlighted that exercise boosts testosterone levels, which can enhance libido in both men and women. 5. Bonding through shared activities. A. Engaging in physical activities together, like running, dancing, or yoga, can act as bonding experiences for couples. They not only provide a shared goal but also moments of connection. B. Activities that require trust and teamwork, such as rock climbing or partner yoga, can further deepen the emotional bond and trust between couples. 6. Improving mental health. A. Exercise is known to combat mental health issues like depression, anxiety, and stress. A sound mental state is crucial for maintaining healthy relationships. B. Reduced anxiety levels can lead to better communication, understanding, and fewer instances of misplaced anger or irritability. 7. Enhancing sleep quality. A. Regular physical activity improves sleep quality. Restorative sleep is crucial for cognitive functions, emotional balance, and libido. B. According to the Sleep Foundation, couples who sleep well are more likely to report satisfaction with their relationships. Shared moments of rest, cuddling, or intimate conversations before sleep can greatly enhance bonds. 8. Fostering longevity and shared future. A. Exercise leads to better overall health, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Couples who prioritize health are likely to enjoy more extended years of companionship. B. Planning for a future together requires envisioning shared moments, adventures, and milestones. Being in optimal health is crucial to live and cherish those moments fully. 9. Cultivating discipline and respect. A. The discipline required to maintain a regular workout regime can translate to other aspects of life, including relationships. Commitment in one domain can foster commitment in another. B. Watching a partner invest time and effort in their well-being can enhance respect and admiration for them, deepening the emotional connect. While love is an intricate interplay of emotions, experiences, and mutual understanding, the role of physical health, amplified by regular exercise, cannot be undermined. Exercise provides a holistic enhancement to one's life, reflecting positively in the realm of romantic relationships. From boosted self-esteem to the biochemical dance of hormones, the saying "couples who sweat together, stay together" might carry more weight than we realize. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe.